Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trend to pick a niche or pick a topic under 5 minutes. The first thing you need to do is to come over to Google and search Google Trends. Next, select Google Trends over here. The next thing you need to do is to come over to the Explore tab. I'm going to highly recommend that you search for Google Trend under the desktop version of your mobile phone or on your PC rather than on the mobile version, so that you can see this layout more appropriately. Next thing I'm going to suggest is, for example, you're trying to pick a niche. I'm going to suggest that you type in something related to that niche. For example, you are trying to create a channel about how to cook. So you're going to write something like how to cook over here. And let's say you're trying to compare it and you want to try another channel that will be about maybe how to paint. So you come over here and you select plus sign and you write in how to paint. And automatically, Google is going to give you a breakdown of the number of people that are searching for this topic. So we have two different graphs over here. The blue here, as you can see, represents how to cook, and the orange over here represents how to paint. You can see the interest over time, that this is the number of people that have been interested in learning how to cook between the 3rd of March to the 9th of March. We can come over here and change it from your country and change it to worldwide, because YouTube is a global platform. You can change it from the past 12 months to maybe say in the past 24 hours, so that you can know what is trending today. And so you can see that for the past 24 hours, at some point 39 people searched for how to cook, while a few people searched for how to paint. If we go back a few minutes, 42 people searched. Go down a few minutes, 39 people looked for how to cook and 18 people looked for how to paint. So what we are seeing here is that if you want to make a niche around how to cook, you are going to have more searches. This niche is going to be more profitable to you than how to paint. And this is a web search over here. And you can decide to change it from a web search to do, say, a YouTube search. Let's say you want to know, okay, I've seen that more people are searching for this on Google. Can I also see how many people are searching for this on YouTube? Now, if you come to YouTube, you will see again that how to cook still has more search than how to paint. So how to cook is trending more. So if you are comparing niches and maybe you have different ideas, you don't know the niche to start with, Google Trend is an excellent platform for you to start with. You can also come over to add comparison and add more niches or more topics that you are thinking about. For example, if you are in the video editing niche and you want to check, should you create contents around editing using Premiere Pro, should you check using DaVinci, you can come over here, compare topics to know which video editing software has more search queries. And if you come down over here, another thing that Google does is that Google begins to help you to see the interest from different regions of the world. For example, Gambia has more trends on how to cook, and we have 0 on how to paint. Kenya has more how to cook, and 5% is how to paint. Nigeria has 94% how to cook and 6% how to paint. So what this does for you is that maybe you want to create content for a particular region of people. This data can help you to know how this topic is going to work with that region. For example, if you want to create content and you are targeting Nigerian audience, Google Trends will help you to see if the people around this region are searching for what you're trying to create. So if you scroll down once more, you will see related queries. What are people searching for under how to cook? You can see here how to cook groundnut soup, how to be a good cook. So if you want to create topics and you want to know the topics that people are searching for on YouTube, these are topics that if you create this content, you will have views, you will have more views, rather than just creating contents and not getting views. So if you create a topic around how to cook groundnut soup, you are going to get views, because in YouTube, over 190 people in the last days have searched for how to cook groundnut soup. Over 150% of people have searched for how to be a good cook. These are topics that you can create your YouTube videos about. You can also scroll up here to rising and change it from rising to top, and you can see the top topics. For example, how to cook chicken is the top searched content around how to cook. How to cook rice is the second most searched content. How to make, and you can put any topic around it. how to cook steak, and how to cook beef. So the top contents are these are the top 5 contents that people are searching for. You can come over to this arrow and click to see more contents going down, but you can change it to the fast rising. So these are topics that are rising with time. And if you go down further, you can also see related queries for how to paint, how to strip paint from wood, how to paint book edges. These are topics that you can apply to your YouTube videos to help your YouTube video get seen.